Hi, I'm Dave Koch. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just having a little bit of fun. I ran into something that I personally found very useful, and I just thought I'd tell you all about it. I am not being paid for this. Nobody sent this to me for free. This is literally something that I found that makes my work easier, and therefore I just wanted to share. It is the FreeWell Pro Reader, and it's a card reader. I know it's not something we think much about, but I know at PMRE, Bethany was having trouble reading one of her cards, and she needed another card reader in the middle of the conference. So it's something that comes up and that you need, especially when you're on the road. And I am on the road a lot. So having a card reader that I can count on and that's going to work for me is really something important. Also, and what I really like about this is it works in all the formats that I need. So if this does that for you, it could be a plus. Let's take a look at it. It's got a little instruction book. I've not even looked at it. This is it. It is black aluminum, kind of brushed. It feels really good in the hand. It's got a little pivot here for a carabiner that comes with it. And it also has a C-type to A-type adapter. We'll show that a little later. But this is it. So it's, what, about 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 inches long, about 2 inches wide, and a good inch thick. You open it like this, and the first thing you'll notice is it has storage for extra cards. That's always something good, I think. I have a couple of little card wallets that I use, but this is kind of nice to have it right where you need it. The input and the output all come from this little pigtail C adapter, which goes right into my MacBook Pro, which is why you have a C to A adapter in case you need an A adapter. But this one plugging in will read all my cards. It has, let's see. Okay, the things I care about are an SD card, a mini or micro, I'm not sure which, but the smaller SD cards, my drones, and then this, what is that, CF card. And those will all plug into this directly. So there you go. That plugs in, and I can read that. I can take an SD card, plug it in right there, and it'll read that. Some of them are upside down. I don't know. There we go. And then the mini will plug in there. What's kind of cool is you can actually read all three at the same time too, if you want to. But, out in the field, I'll use all three of these different cards. And it's nice to have one reader that's going to read all of these cards. And what else does it do? CFE-A, I guess that's a version of this that I don't use. There is a Sony, I think it's the XQD card that looks exactly like this. I do not think it reads that. I do not know that for sure. But anyway, there it is. One cool thing all in one nice little wrapper that, again, you take these out and you can put it back into this, and there you go. That's not going to get beat up or anything. I do like it too because, for these little mini cards, I don't have to carry around one of these anymore for my card reader. And for the longest time, that's how I had to read my drone stuff. Now I can just read that directly, and I don't even need these anymore. So I'll be putting these on eBay in the next week or two. I've got about 10 of them. It also has this that looks like a SIM card extractor for a cell phone. I don't know why. If you know why, put it in the comments. I'd love to know why. But there you go. It's something really cool, and I think very useful and very affordable for what it is. I think it lists at $139. Right now, I just checked on Amazon. It's $99, and you will find it by searching for FreeWell Pro Card Reader. I think that'll find it for you. It's also on my Gear I Use list on my website, and that'll be linked in the comments below. I think I got this on Black Friday for $79. So that's the best I've ever seen it for, is $79, which is what I got it for. But $99, it's still a steal. Anyway, I just thought you'd like to know about that. I think it's a wonderful extra tool to have, and I do recommend it. I've used it for about a month now, had no problems at all, and it reads very, very fast. Oh yeah, it is USB 3.2 speed, so it does read very fast. So there you go. I hope you guys all have a great day, and may your next shoot be your best shoot.